Suzlon shares seem to be reversing the downturn of the past. The stock hit a 20% upper circuit earlier this week on speculation that Adani has bought some shares in the company. Suzlon surged over 70% in the last 1 year, in fact. My colleague Sakshi Batra gets us some of the key reasons behind this surge and what investors can expect from the stock going forward.
Well, that's right. The shares of the renewable energy company Suzlon Energy have soared on Monday, hit a 20% upper circuit. It again rose by 4% in the intraday trade today before profit booking really took over, and the stock ended almost 2% down in trade today. But the sharp recent surge that has been seen has come on the back of the news that the company has won an order from Sembcorp Green Infra Wind Energy to build 180 megawatt wind farm. Now, under this, Suzlon will install 86 wind turbine generators or WTGs with a hybrid lattice tubular HLT tower and rated capacity of 2.1 megawatts each. Now, the company has also mentioned that this is the third repeat order from Sembcorp that it has got. And not just that, there's a huge buzz on the street and speculation to some extent that Adani Group may have some interest in the company, as Adani Group has already been stepping up investments across its green energy value chain, as it also aims to become the world's top renewable energy producer by 2030. Remember, Gautam Adani today, in fact, has said that its ports to power conglomerate will build a 3 giga factories, in fact, for manufacturing of solar modules, wind turbines, hydrogen electrolyzers, as part of the $70 billion investment to clean energy that he has committed by 2030. Now, the buzz has actually led to Suzlon's market cap also rising above 10,300 crore rupees on Bombay Stock Exchange. And it is not just a matter of 1 or 2 days of a momentum that we've seen. The stock has in fact surged about 37% in the last 1 month, following the solid Q1 numbers where Suzlon posted multifold rise in its net profit as well. Not just that, the Suzlon shares have also rallied about 70% in the past 1 year. Now, I caught up with Avinash Gorakshaka, Director Research at Profit Mart Securities, to really understand and find out the key reasons behind this continued uptrend in Suzlon shares and whether one should look at investing in the stock right now. Listen in.
I think the clear focus on Suzlon has come in largely because last week, all of us must be aware that Adani Green has acquired 54 crore shares of Suzlon Energy. Now, this was a very pleasant surprise because, the buyer has been Mr. Gautam Adani as the promoter of Adani Green. And this gives a lot of expectations and speculation as to what is the intention of Mr. Adani for Suzlon. Now, to just give you a background, Suzlon still has a negative net worth. It's got a carry forward loss of 5,000 crores. The first quarter of FY22, has included an other income of 24 crores. Otherwise, the company is still struggling with their cash flows. But the good part is Suzlon has got a lot of orders. In fact, recently, just a couple of days back, they've got an order from Sembcorp for 180 megawatt windmills, which has been announced on the exchange's website. So I think a lot of work is still required to be, executed by Suzlon. And I think, obviously, it requires a lot of capital. So I think probably the market is guessing that there could be some sort of synergy between Adani Green and Suzlon Energy. Obviously, we don't know the real intention. But the market is very gung-ho on the fact that Adani Green has acquired, these shares, and that could obviously lead to a lot of speculation. As of now, it's very difficult to comment. But this rise in the stock price is purely on the fact that Mr. Gautam Adani has also made it clear that he's very much interested in manufacturing wind turbines, which Suzlon actually makes at its existing setup.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share, and subscribe.